Hey, what's up, Mexit Planners? Today I thought I'd give you guys a tour of our house in North Merida, Mexico.
I wanna take you to a distant star and start a colony. You know it doesn't matter who we are, we'll be the king and queen. Different shade of blue over me and you, brand new feel.
Let's start off. In the front of the house, we have a section that's landscaped with palms and bamboo. The house is completely surrounded by a 20-foot wall on both sides and probably a 15-foot wall in the front. Because the house has a lot of vegetation in the front of the house that's really tall, there's actually a big tree on the other side of the wall. It keeps the house very, very cool. The house also faces the north, so the breeze from the ocean coming north to south actually blows through the house. So it keeps the house very fresh throughout the day. We generally only have to turn on the AC at around 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the hottest parts of the day. But for the most part, we can get by with just the fans and the breeze.
And from infinity into beyond, our view is nice and clear. Different shade of green under you and me, brand new feel. I wanna show you to my favorite part, the new real. Bring you on out.
So let's head to the backyard. There's a service entrance on the right-hand side here of the house, and this takes us to kind of a storage area. We have our hot water heater and pool controls for our sprinklers, etc. But once we enter this gate, that takes us to the back garden.
I never come back down. Riding on my rocket.
We're very lucky to have a fully established and landscaped backyard. We have an orange tree growing in the backyard that is growing sour oranges, which are edible, but usually they're used for cooking. This tree is completely surrounded by a huge pothos plant, as you can see, that is also providing ground cover. And we also have a plunge pool, which is about 4 feet deep, which is designed just to keep you fresh. But we have palms and other types of vegetation. My garden is absolutely amazing. And if you have any questions about what it costs to maintain, a pool, a garden, the rent for the house, or any of those things, check out my latest blog post on MexitPlans.com about the expenses for a family of 3. Take care.